Confused about your bra size? Consider us your experts, and we're here to help you find your exact size with just 3 simple steps. First, make sure you're in a bra with very little or no padding and grab a measuring tape. Measure the area right under your bust where the band should sit. Make sure the tape is parallel to the ground and not wonky, and don't accidentally hold your breath. Find your measurement in inches and then round it up to the next whole number. So if your measurement is 26.5, round up to 27. If what you get is an even number, add 4, and if it's an odd number, add 5. That is your band size. Wrap your tape around the fullest part of your bust, making sure the tape is flat against your back. Check your measurement and round it up to the next whole number again. Next, subtract your bust size from your band size. That number will help you find your cup size according to this handy chart. So if your bust size is 33 and your band size is 32, you get a difference of 1. Now check the cup size chart to arrive at your cup size. So if the difference is 1, your cup size is an A. You have your final bra size by putting your band size and cup size together. In this case, a 32A. It's also important to remember that not all brands follow the same size guides. So you may need to go a band size up or a cup size down depending on that specific brand. Want more amazing videos on bras? Click on any of these and keep watching. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.